I used to swallow toothpaste as a kid. They said it would make me stupid. And it wasn't the kids' stuff either, no. It was the adult toothpaste, like the back of the tube said, go to the hospital if you swallow this. And I'm fine. I'm fine. Now, I've never been more proud of something that I've built.
Unless my child counts. So I've got to thank Micro Center for being extremely patient as I took way too long to build this. Oh my goodness, I would make so much more money if I didn't take 3 months to upload a video.
So I'm going to try to trigger like 50 Karens at once, have them all yell at it, and see if that powers the PC.
Okay.
Real.
Now, if you're building a PC that you don't want to take 3 months, first, you can get $25 off all